If you have children, then this one is for you. One category of mutual funds that has become very popular in the last couple of years is children's mutual funds. Now, as per recent data from ICRA Analytics, the assets under management for children's mutual funds have gone up 160% in the last 5 years. Now, assets under management is basically the amount of money that goes into these funds. As of this year alone, the category has seen 25,600 crores of AUM. So why are these funds so popular and what do these funds invest in? Children's mutual funds are basically goal-based mutual funds investing for a particular goal, which in some cases could be children's education. So there is a 5-year lock-in, or until your child turns 18, you can't remove the money. Hence, there is a behavioral guardrail of disciplined investing. Secondly, these funds are a mix of equity for growth and debt for safety. One simple reason for the sudden popularity is because of the cost of education that's rising at such a rapid pace. The cost of education is now rising faster than income growth, and traditional savings products just don't help you beat inflation anymore. Private school fees, if you look at it, is rising at a pace of 11 to 12% annually, and higher education has become very expensive. So there are about 10 to 12 children's funds out there in the market, and if you look at the top performing funds, they give you a compounding growth of around 15 to 17% on an average in the last 3 to 5 year period. Now, this does not have to be the only allocation for your children. It can be one of the tools that you can use to achieve your goals. Any questions? Let me know.